Hello everyone and welcome back to Digital Omar's with you. And today video I'm going to talk about how to study on business and make an extra income, right? With so many methods out there, Even now, just before I record this video, I discovered some different methods, hundreds of methods you can make, right? So there's ranging from easy to medium to hard, okay? And today we're gonna go through some of these side hustles which I'm focusing on is more likely digital business, right? So before I reveal some side hustle, there's five actually profitable side hustle business you can start easily. But start easy, look focus. It should start easy, but it's easy to start, but it's not simple, right? You need offer to do content with it about within it to scale it up, right? For the growth, it's gonna take some time, right? But for starting, you can start just today, tomorrow. You can start to create set up a system. It can take you between 1 day to 5 days. Okay, depending how many time you have in your hand. So the three stages before I want to talk about it for the side hustle. The three stages is first start side hustle after work. So from 6 o'clock to 10 p.m. you have 4 hours. If you consider you moving 1 hour away for a snack, for a brain, for anything you want, family time, okay, you have 3 good hours, 2.5, 3 good hours, okay. That's actually a lot. You can, and then you broke it into chunks of 25 minutes. So each task you decide you dedicate 25 minutes. You can do that on your own phone timer, or you can go from your workspace, laptop, computer. You can sit, just type in Google 25-minute timer, and boom, you have it there. That's two, scale your side hustle business. So once you have this 2.5 an hour, 3 hours started set a system, it takes you 1 week, right? Second week, you start adding products, editing, and you start marketing. Third, fourth week, you should be for marketing. So you're creating the content for that, to get attention for your product, and then have a link in the bio or description to be able to go to. So you might have no success for the first few weeks. Okay, you might have like a lot of leads though. So you're gonna have a lot of leads. So it's important to have something test or sample, or we could say it a lead magnet. Okay, lead magnet where we could create a free product symbol or micro or many of the main product you have. Step three, quit a job and start a second side hustle. And this is usually when you're making almost double, 80% or 100% of what you're making from your work. Let's say you work from work, uh, give and take $2,000 a month, and it's now this side hustle you make it around 3,000 to 4,000 dollars. Now it's time to quit a job so you can put 100% you scaling up and start a second income stream. Okay, now come with me in the scale. Let's share the five protocol side hustle. So what I consider it is the category of its own for product business or digital marketing niche. So the side hustle we're gonna talk about is today digital marketing niche, not a drop shipping, not uh Amazon FBA where you can buy a chunk of product, okay, then you post it they post it to some warehouse of Amazon warehouse and then they do all the thing for you, right? The orders and the sending shipment. All any other thing, other hustle is one reason why I'm talking about digital marketing niche because within that niche, there's subcategories you can actually utilize uh because you can recycle some of the content you have, right? So you understand why in a bit. No. So the first one is selling digital product or great. So you can do that by creating your digital product or outsource the digital product. You hit it right. So selling digital product is never been an easier side hustle because what you're gonna do is nothing you need to be shipped to your house or to the warehouse. Okay, nothing you need like a big amount to invest in. So now you can get digital product for $7, for $10, for $100, for $500. As low. And the good about this digital product, yes, digital product, on for product, is when you buy a digital product for say an a guide or an a template or an app, a software or a membership. So basically you get it once, right? And you can duplicate that digital product. You can just print it again. It's like it's digital product, it's not like a paper or so you can just sell as much as you want with no limit. So if you sell $1,000, you don't have to pay for upfront for that 1,000 quantity again, right? Because the PDF it can be copied, okay? So you can grade this or you can sell. Make sure I leave a link in the bio if you want on digital product marketing guide to learn about it. And also, this digital product comes with with the resale right, okay, which is called BLR and master resale right. So you can learn, while you learn, you can sell it, okay. This first way you can sell it through, you can sell it through, you know, collecting through email by giving a free lead magnet, and then you collect an email, and then it starts sending them offer to this audience by email, right? And by the way, if you want the tool that you can do all in one, like sell funnels, landing page, where you can host your lead magnet, a sale page where you can host your digital product, and courses, where you can host courses, then I'll recommend this to me. You can do automation as well. So you can have lead being sent email automatically every few days without you to have to be there. So that's perfect for you if you can set up the system. Then you have the one, you just have to check your account, right? So that tool is called Systeme, and I have the link in the bio. The first link in the bio. I recommend to start with it with the starter plan because it give you option of hosting 5 courses, right? But if you are a complete beginner, I recommend you start for free. Don't spend any money on it until you learn more. Okay. Now, outsourcing this, also I'm gonna leave some links. One of the sites you can outsource is BLR.me, Warrior Plus, and there's so many other sites as well. I'm gonna leave it link in the bio if you're interested on. All right, number two. Coaching course or course. So you can also create an also believe me, coaching program. If you are good at something, then I recommend you to coach because with the coaching you can sit an hour for like $50, $100, depending on expertise. You can go up to for $250 if you are really good at your niche, right? Now you can also course, but for coaching you need to learn. You need to have some skills before you can coach about, right? Number three, affiliate marketing. Promote other product or service for commission. And this one, you don't even need upfront for that, right? So it's find a digital product or an info product or even the product could be physical product, right? Now this is very popular in TikTok recently, where you can create a video of a product. They will send you a sample of the product. Okay, it could be a headphone and headset, or a device, or a pillow. Then you just make a short video, 10, 20 seconds, and that video go viral. People can click on the link just within the video, and then let's say you commission 40% and that product's $100. So your commission you'll be making $40, right? Now this is a different various platform. Also there's Amazon, they have affiliates integrated with. There's a ClickBank, you can promote courses, they can promote even and one thing I recommend to promote is a SaaS product, okay? Like Systemic example I was talking about today, where you can do the sales funnel, email marketing, hosting a course, automation. So you can promote this product, like it's called $75 a month, for example, and you can make half of that, roughly $16, right? So if you make $16 from one client, imagine having 100 clients within a period of 1 year, or let's say 2 years, let's say realistic. So that's over $1,600 income in your bank without doing any work. You just do work once, which can create videos, or if you don't like video, you can do faceless, or you can also do blogging, which is hard. But within my channel, you can. I'm gonna share some tips how to get traffic for your website. Three, job service, okay? It's MMA or automation, website design, app. So you can job service just exactly like drop shipping. I'm sure by now you'll learn drop shipping because there's so many guys teaching you about drop shipping, right? So drop service is nothing like different. So you list a service on Fiverr or in eBay or in your own site, or it doesn't matter where it is, whatever it is. Then you find somewhere cheaper to outsource it, right? So you can find someone from Philippines, from China, from Indian, from Pakistan. These guys will take very low, very, very, very low rate compared to the people in the US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, and in other countries, right? Now, there is details on that. I'm gonna share some links where you can outsource. So I'm gonna rate it by lower labor or cheap rate on the description in this YouTube. Make sure you go and check it out if you want to start this route. Believe me. So this all related. I'm gonna come to the end of the video. I'm gonna explain to you how, and plus you can now use AI to make things easy. Like one of the outsource or one of the job service you could do is making long video to short video, and you can make a bank, man. A lot of people making bank with this now. One of the sites, hope you can go check there. Also, you can check many in Fiverr. You can click on the review and check how many orders they have. People having stock orders like in order processing over 10 orders, 20 orders still, yeah. What we could do is sign up for one of the long to form videos, like $15. I'm gonna leave a link in the bio. There's two or three, there's popular one here now. They are good at actually. What we need to do is just take the link if they already posted the podcast in the YouTube, and then you take that link. Or if they give you a video raw, you can also take that video raw on your drive. They share it to you, and then you put it in this app, and this app magically just take it about 5 10 seconds, and it break this to a chunk, this big chunk of video to small pieces of shorts. Okay, they can repost it for their own purposes, where they can get more traffic from different social media, TikTok, Instagram, Reels. They can repurpose this content. That's why this service the demand right now. Okay, so you can charge it for $20 for 20 for you can charge $1 for the clip per minute, where you can charge a minimum of 20. So now you can imagine one client who can pay off that for the month, and you get another 9 10 client. Then that's over, let's say 20 times 10. How many? That's 2000 if I'm not doing wrong the math. Okay, now surface number 5, Europe automation. Okay, and I made a short guide because I wanted to make this video longer than it is. You go check, and the steps you can start with is many report short guide, not detailed but very short. You can get check where you can outsource the automation, where you can do the, but honestly you can do it yourself also. Okay, check here. You can just follow these tips, and you can do so. You can now go do copyright and script from the ChatGPT. You can do the video editing for free from CapCut, but now CapCut will start doing like they have like a a plan to pay. Like you can start without actually. You can use OBS is for free, but if you want CapCut, CapCut I find it good. I'm not using the plan, the paid plan yet, but I'm thinking to upgrade to get the paid plan, because honestly CapCut is way easier to use than instead of like Adobe. Adobe you need to learn it and need skills, right? And then third, so you edit it in CapCut, you add the sound and this, and believe me, automation is good. You make it the video once, and then you can make money, income coming regular basis, right? So you can combine a couple of these actually, because if you are learning just about how to make a product, then you can reset this guide, or you can make video about it, and then from that video you make it in the YouTube, which I'm doing now, uh, and then you can collect your leads or sell more product in the YouTube description, right? And that's it, guys. I think it's today. For detail of each of these, I'm gonna make a separate video for these. Some I already have made before. So if you want to learn more about Systeme, check the previous video. I explain how to use it, and the feature of the Systeme is a very wonderful tool, all-in-one marketing tool. The link in the bio. If you need to purchase a product and learn it, the link in the bio. If you need a product to sell, the link in the bio as well. Make sure to support my channel by liking this, subscribe to learn more about digital marketing and automation. Thank you for watching.